Today I will explain you the concept linkage and crossing over. This concept was explained by the scientist Thomas Hunt Morgan when he studied the inheritance of character in fruit fly Drosophila. He selected the two genes which were linked to the sex chromosome, and then he found the deviation from the Mendelian phenotypic ratio, that is 9:3:3:1 in F2 generation. What he has taken the two genes, or he did the dihybrid cross, but the genes were sex linked. Second, they were present on the same chromosome. Here we represent Y and W to show yellow body and white-eyed fruit flies. Y plus W plus is wild type, and it is a dominant feature having brown body and red-eyed fruit flies. As these are sex chromosome, then in case of female, both the chromosomes are similar, while in case of male, only one chromosome is sufficient to express its genes or alleles, while the second chromosome do not have any genes. Now, when we go for the parents, then we can make the gametes like this. Here we know the concept of chromosomal theory of inheritance. Then at the time of gamete formation, these chromosomes will segregate and only one chromosome will enter into the gamete. Here both the chromosomes are similar, so all the gametes are of one kind having Y and W, both the genes. In case of male, here we have two different kinds of gamete. Now by random fertilization we are getting F1 generation. YW के साथ मेल का क्रोमोसोम आया Y plus W plus, and again YW के साथ if it fertilize the empty chromosome, then it will generate male. So this is the F1 generation as shown in your NCERT book, F1 generation female and male. Now Morgan performed this dihybrid cross up to the F2 generation. Then he find that the recombinations are not according to Mendel's dihybrid cross, that is 9:3:3:1. Here the parental type is too much high, that is 98.7%, and recombinations are only 1.3%. He studied it, and soon he explained that the genes which are present on the same chromosome, they have a physical association, and that for it he coined the term linkage. And for the condition of new combinations, he used the term recombination, and this is possible due to the crossing over during gamete formation. So this is only about the linkage and crossing over. Now I will explain you how from the F1 generation we will get this F2 generation parental. It is more in percentage 98.7, and 1.3% only we are getting the new combination or recombination. Then Morgan explained it that this is the F1 generation, this female. When there will be the gamete formation, again the chromosomal theory will work. Then there is segregation of character, so segregation of chromosome will there. So one gamete will have the chromosome having this Y and W like this one, and second gamete will have the chromosome Y plus W plus. As this is the maximum condition of the gamete formation, segregation of chromosome. So this type of gametes are formed about 98.7%. Then what about the other gametes? How they formed? They are formed by the crossing over. Crossing over when in the meiosis first there is exchange of genes in the non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome. So here is the exchange of genes. So ये W का Y नीचे आ गया, उस W plus का Y ऊपर चला गया, and we have this combination now after the crossing over, Y plus W, Y W plus. when this will happen during the meiosis first, and then there will be the gamete formation by the segregation of chromosome. So this is the now new formed chromosome, but the chances is only 1.3%. So now these two chromosomes will segregate. 50%, some gametes will have Y plus W and other will have YW plus. But when we calculate the chances of such kind of crossing over, it is only 1.3%. Now you can make a checkerboard, or you can follow the NCERT book. What it done, it has differentiate the parental and recombination type. Parental, these two are the chromosome, these two are the different types of gametes formed by the segregation of chromosome. Okay, so here we have written, you can see here Y plus W plus, this one, and YW, this one. Second, the gametes that can be formed due to the crossing over, that is written here. These are the recombination one. Now we will go for the male gamete. Male gamete, this is the F1 male. Here two types of male gamete can be found. One having chromosome having the genes Y and W, and second this chromosome which will form the male individual. So here in the first four diagram, if we number it 1, 2, 3, 4, you can observe that these female gametes are crossed by the male chromosome. So these all are the male. Out of these, this is the parental type, these are the recombination. Again we have written the female gamete, the possibility, and we cross it with the another type of male gamete having YW. So everywhere you can observe this YW, and the upper one is written the female gamete, the parental one, and the recombination one. Just in this way you have to draw diagram. In rough you can draw such kind of cross, then you can go for the perfect diagram given in your NCERT book. Now Morgan student, there is a student, he explained the percentage of recombination to map the location of genes on the same chromosome. He explained if the recombination is 1.3%, it means the gap between these two genes on the same chromosome is 1.3 map unit. Now this map unit is used for the even for the Human Genome Project. Here Morgan performed another cross to explain it more better about the linkage and crossing over. He also explained that the linkage or the physical association of the genes on the same chromosome is depend on the distance between these two genes. For example, in the first cross A, the genes are very close to each other, so very less chances of crossing over and only 1.3% recombinations are formed. But he has taken another example, cross B. Here he has taken female, white-eyed and miniature wings. The genes W and M, they are situated far apart from each other on the same homologous chromosome, and the wild type W plus M plus, red eye and big wings, it is the dominant character. So in F1 again you can draw such kind of gamete, and then you can write here like your NCERT book. So here we are getting female and male. We will go for the F2 generation. F2 generation again you can go for such parental gametes and new combination gametes. Same it is written here. Here is the parental gamete. This is the recombination gamete cross with the male chromosome. In the second group of diagram, parental gamete of female, recombinant gametes of female cross with the another gamete, male gamete. So we have such a diagram and we find that the recombination is 37.2%. Okay, so Morgan explained that the chances of recombination increases with the increase in distance between these genes. So the gap between the two genes in a homologous chromosome, it reduces the linkage and it increases the chances of crossing over. So this is about linkage and crossing